here see. Wurstsalat, a tart sausage salad, it's one of my new favorites. It's a healthy quick fix for a light lunch or dinner. People like to add onion or cheese, depends on the region. Here's my version of it. We will need 300 grams of shredded tart sausage. It's commonly available in all supermarkets in Germany. We will also need a medium-sized onion, 150 grams of Emmental cheese or any other medium hard cheese, a large pickle or some small ones. Remove the skin of our onion and slice it into thin strips. Fresh onion can add a bit of crunchiness to our salad. I like to soak it in some cold water to remove the hotness from the onion while keeping it fresh. Then dice our pickles to bite sizes as well. Now add our cheese to the same mixing bowl. Slice the onion and the pickles. To make the salad dressing, pour in 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a few pinches of sugar, and a bit of grated salt and pepper. I also add 1 teaspoon of medium spicy mustard, which is optional, and about 60 ml of water. Mix them well before serving. You can also add some other vegetables like radish and spring onions. Add a bit of more salt and pepper if needed, and a few minced spring onions on top. Enjoy! Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。